out for qualifying. Pretty dope. Here at Interlagos, day 2. So schedule for today is qualifying at 7:30. It's in like 10 minutes. And then 2 races, one at 10:30 and one at 1500. So they use 24-hour time clock like military does. So it's pretty easy for me coming from the Navy. So that would be 3 for those of you guys who don't know. But visibility is shit. Road looks like it's pretty dried out. Pretty sure after qualifying it'll be done. No rain in the forecast. It's supposed to be sunny. You can actually see the fog clearing up. But yeah, it should be fucking dope, man. Super excited. Jesus Christ. So got done with qualifying and track is dry. There was a delay because of fog in the morning. I qualified 10th, so yeah, fell off the mark. I was actually slower today than I was yesterday, and I was listening to these guys talk about what gear they're in and what turns and where they're braking and where they're not. So my last lap was just a 10th shy of my PB here. And I reverted back to using the gearing that I was accustomed to yesterday, just stringing the fuck out of the car and getting the most top end power out of it. It seems like when I put the car into anything near 4,000 RPMs, it just wants to bog and die out, and I'm not getting any speed out of corners. So momentum is definitely key here with these cars, and keeping it in that high gear pays off a little bit better than keeping it in the lower gear and trying to bog it out of the turn. So yeah, we'll see. Hold on, I don't want to get copyrighted. One sec. So what I'm gonna do is go back to my normal shifting points, rev out the fucking car, and use the braking zones that I've learned and been taught now. And I'm really sure I can get at least into the 20s. A 20 will bump me up a position, but yeah, we'll see. Good thing for racing, anything can happen. So also, I already got called gay for my sunglasses. One of the older guys here asked me if my glasses were for gays, and I told him they're for the beach. And he's like, oh, okay. You guys wear those in California? said, yeah, some of us do. So he's the guys who own the garage and all the cars and rent them out. He's the father of those guys. So yeah, pretty funny family, pretty cool. This whole experience has been amazing. Everyone's been welcoming and joking and you know, having fun. It's just been a good time. You know, we're all in the same garage and we're all competitors together, but just like any other track day, you know, we're out here just having fun and having a blast. So there's some seriously quick guys out here, some guys who are academy drivers, the guys who are pro drivers, you know, all sorts of background coming together and driving these little Chevy Celtas. And it just makes for a good time, honestly. So everyone's helpful though. Some of the vets are over here asking me, you know, what I'm doing and you know, trying to help me shave some time off and see how good I can get within the 2 days that I'm here. So like I said before, I'm not here to set lap times or win any crazy races or nothing like that. It would be fucking amazing if that happened, you know, it'd be like an ultimate dream, but it's my first time here, man. I'm just trying to have fun and soak it up. This is one of the dream tracks that I've always wanted to go to, and you know, today it's finally happened. So yeah, hopefully the race goes well and we don't finish last. Yes, I look funny, okay? Yes, I know. I can't get these on my fucking head correctly. So, update. As you guys saw, there's a big fucking wreck. I actually caught a little bit of that oil. If you guys noticed, one more turn, there was one car being pulled off. I think that car blew its motor and spilled its guts everywhere, and that's what caused the pileup. Because when I saw the accident, the pileup, I instantly knew, slow down. And when I hit the brakes, I went fucking sliding. So either coolant or oil is on the track. It's going to be a while. The medical car just came out to, I think, check on making sure everyone's okay. But yeah, the guys that I passed that you saw, the two guys, somehow got gridded before me. So I got to pass them again. And that'll put me at, it looks like 6th place. So right now I'm in 8th place, I think. But yeah, man, holy shit. I can't even believe I'm fucking doing this, to be honest. This is wild and a lot of fun. So yeah, more racing. And this is only the first race. I got fucking one more. Holy shit. That was the, fuck, I think the 2nd lap. So I'm not even sure how many laps we do, but yeah, this is fun. All right, here we go. just finished up my first race, and holy fuck was that fun. My GoPro is having issues recording everything. I don't know what the fuck's going on with it, but I'm gonna fix it right now, make sure it's all fully charged for the next race. I think I finished 4th, but we'll see. I gotta check the results. But I had the most gnarly battle for 3 laps straight with another guy, and we were going back and forth, back and forth. And the last turn here on Interlagos, you guys will see from the footage, is very slow. You have to get on the brakes, maybe even exit out a second, usually 3rd, and just bog it up the hill. I got a better exit than him out of that turn, and my car had more top end power than his the entire time. And I pulled maybe by like a fucking nose of a car. I beat him. Yeah, that was fucking dope. But the guys in 1st and 2nd are way faster than us. Probably running about a couple seconds faster than us still, even though they're battling up there. It was straight carnage. There was people getting sideswiped. There was people trading paint, people crashing, people fighting after the fight. 2 people were fucking like trying to throw down over here. It was fucking gnarly. It was so much fun, and that's only 1 race. So I'll keep you guys posted on the second one and any changes I make to the car, if any. Car feels fine, but then again, I don't know what these cars are supposed to feel like. So yeah, we'll see. Keep you guys updated. Traded paint with somebody, it got a blowout. I mean, it was straight fucking carnage. This car's a little beat up. There was one. Hold on 1 sec, let me find. This car got fucking beaten up. This was the car I was battling with for the last 2 laps. So dope. Just beat up. Hopefully my GoPro got that wreck, but this was the one that was involved. One of them at least. Got it running. Look at that shit. Alright guys, I'm on the grid for the second race. I mean, it looks like we have the equal amount of cars that we did the first time, so I don't expect any less carnage or any less competition. Should be fun either way, so hope you guys enjoy this race. This view is so dope, man. I mean, I'm looking down the finish line straight, and you got Ayrton Senna right there. A beautiful glass building, all the grandstands on both sides. So fucking dope.